sometimes we have these two trouble codes. Sometimes it's P0900, it's 21 for shortcode, and this one 35. Okay, so what it can be one of the reason of this trouble code, like this code, it's the reason why this code came up. So I will show you what it can be. Not always, but sometimes. Look at this. Look at this. See? Little grease came out and came to the motor. And the motor start to use a lot of power. So what need to do? Need to clean it good in petrol, but it must be fully dry. So I will show you how to do it, that it will work again with no problem. Okay, let's go. So I will put it to the battery, will connect it direct to the battery. I will not connect to the battery, I will connect to the charger, but it's the same. And you will see how it's moving. It's moving like under pressure. Let's check. You see? And I will show you how much the amperes it's using. Okay, so I'm connecting the motor and you will see. You see, it's like normal battery, fully charged, 12.6.7 volts, and you will see how much amperes it will use. You see, 16 on the idle. So you see, I clean it with benzene and high pressure air, but you see the motor is not burned, it's okay, but in any case it will not work good after this situation. So what we need to do, we need to start it direct from battery and check that it will start to use about 2.5 amperes, because from the first time it will still use a lot of power, and it will some fire inside, it will some smoke. So we need to wait, but we don't need, we need to be careful that it will not burn, and this plastic, it can melt this plastic, so be careful. Now I will show you how to do it. So I'm direct connect and you will see what will happen. Look at this. See? You see, it's still 16 amps. You see some fire inside, some smoke. So need to pause, need to little wait, and need to cold it, that it will no burn, will no burning. Yes, that it will no hot. Oh, just need to wait 5 minutes. and again. And wait until it will start. Oh, it's little. Still not. Yes, now it's okay. Keep it for 5-10 minutes. Look at this. Now this is okay. It say that it using only 2 amps. This normal state of this motor. So at this state, keep it working for 5-10 minutes and you can install it back. You see? It's no smoke, no fire. Also we can check it like this. Yeah, it's working good. Ay, it's hot. So now it's clean, the motor clean, working good. Don't forget to turn by screwdriver that the shaft go out maximum, like this. It's coming up, yes, and half of back. That's all. Now I can install the motor and tighten the bolts. So now it will working again.